Hi friends and family, and welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Jen, and on this channel I do unboxing for beauty subscription and makeup subscriptions. I'm now moving into doing clothing hauls, so if you missed my first one, which was a Walmart spring haul for shorts size 14, please check that out. I will link it at the end or here or somewhere. And then this is going to be a Shein haul. So what inspired me to start doing these hauls is that my honey and we are going on vacation, and I was already going to order a bunch of clothes to try for vacation. So I thought, why not make these videos in addition to it, so you can see my honest reviews, my reactions, because I am a real person. I am exactly 5 feet tall. I wear a I would say I'm more towards the 14 on the bottoms and an extra large on top. And so because I'm short and chubby, I have issues finding things that fit me. So I thought, you know, since I'm a real person and you're a real person, that why not give my honest reviews. So today we're going to be doing a Shein haul. I am between, like I said, I am larger on the bottom than I am on the top. So I actually shop on both ends of Shein, which is the regular women's size and then the curvy plus side as well. And I will share those sizes with you as well as a picture on the side over here. This was from the curvy side, and this is a 0X. Now I did try to buy this in the extra large, and then I did order this in the curvy side because I didn't know which would fit. It turns out that the curvy side is what I'm wearing. It's a little bit oversized and I love it. It's a ruched side. This shirt is super cute, and I paired it with this really cute Sagittarius necklace. I thought, you know, let me get a little up close. Now it's a 3-layer necklace that was probably only about $2.50 on the site, and I did pair it with these really cute heart hoop earrings. Now unfortunately the other one came broken, and I was going to try and salvage it as best as I could, but it didn't work. But because I still wanted to show you how cute their things are, like, you know, it's gonna happen. Shipping issues, they happen. Like, you know, I think the earrings were like $1.50, so, you know, it's fine. But I did think that it was cute to just go ahead and put in the one hoop so you could see the style. So yeah, this one is a really cute ruche side shirt, and I did pair it with these jeans from my Walmart haul. And yeah, let's just go ahead and take a look. And then I am wearing them with these super cute tennis shoes that I did get from Shein as well. I can't remember the price. I will post that somewhere, but look at how adorable these shoes are. Aren't they just so cute? They are so comfortable. They have a really nice cushion inside, and they have this really light, flexible material that is so breathable for the foot, and I just am in love with them. I can't wait to look cute and stylish on vacation wearing these guys. So yeah, this was the first outfit. Now this one is a black bodysuit, and I love it. Look at how beautiful the detailing on the sleeves are. And it's super flexible and stretchy. It fits very well. It's a very beautiful neckline. I love the neckline. I love the details here as well. And I do like the fact that you can wear a regular bra with it. And here is what the back looks like. Here I've just paired these with my Walmart Curvy Mom jeans, or I think that's what they're called. Yeah, Curvy Mom shorts. And I just love the way that this one came together. I also paired it with this really cute little bracelet that I believe I only paid like $1.50 for. And then I paired it with these really cute heart earrings, which I will also share with you guys. This one is in a, I want to say this was a 0X, but I will put the size as well next to the picture, but I just kind of wanted to show you that it is this bodysuit, and it is very comfortable, very well made, and very flexible, stretchy, and breathable. I also wanted to mention the other pair of shoes that I have. These are not from Shein, however they do have shoes that look very similar to this. But I got these at DSW for about $34. They are a brand called Anne Klein iFlex, and they have that squishy, super soft, flexible padding. So they're super comfortable, because now that I'm getting older and in my 40s, it's not something, you know, heels are not something that I want to deal with on vacation, but I still want to look cute and dressy, and I mean, that's part of going on vacation, is just having fun with your outfits. So I will try and link those down below as well if they are still available. Here is the next outfit. It's this really pretty light green colored shirt. It has these little ruffle detail here, and it is like a spaghetti strap, but it does have adjustable ties here, or sleeves, straps, I think is what I'm trying to say. And then I paired it with these really cute paper bag, I think that's what they're called, shorts. Now, I don't really like the way paper bag shorts fit on me, but I did have my 11-year-old child let me know what he thought about it, because I know he is brutally honest, and he said that these looked okay. So I thought I'd be okay going on camera with these. So yeah. And here is what it looks like in the back. Very comfortable, very lightweight as well. Now the top is from the women's section, and the bottoms are from the curvy side. I also paired it with these really cute bracelets. Again, oops, I just loosened it. I loosened it instead of turning it, but they are super adorable. Let's see if you can kind of get the idea here. Very lightweight. These will be very good like on the beach, just to kind of hang out and walk around, you know, with your babe. And then I paired it with these gorgeous blue earrings, this funky things in the back. But I don't think it's anything that I would stop or not wear at all. Like, I think it is just cute to kind of, you know, on a sunny day. I also want to show you the length of this shirt if you decided to keep it untucked. Now, I keep wanting to feel for pockets in these shorts, and they do not have them. Also, the shorts have this rolled up hem here. These are very comfortable, very light and breathable. They are also a little bit longer here, so that you don't get that, well, you may still get some thigh rub, but I think, like, for the most part, I don't think it's going to be horrible. So, yeah. So I'm digging, I love this color, and I like this put together the way that it is. Now this is one of my favorite outfits. So this is a really nice bodysuit, and this is from the curvy side, and believe it or not, these pants are a large from the regular women's side, and they fit amazing. They have these pockets. Alright, so first of all, let's go ahead and start with the top. Like, let's stay focused, Jen. So this is a really cute, it is like ruched here. It does kind of go pretty much underneath the boobs where it should. It does have these adjustable straps so you can tighten it. These pants, I didn't necessarily get these pants to go on vacation, but I love them. I just love this color right now. This color is just been grabbing my attention, and these pants are so comfortable. So I actually ordered these in a black pair as well. Those will be coming to you in part 2 of the Shein haul. I forgot to mention the earrings. Look at how pretty these earrings are. Oh, I love them. And it is so comfortable. I love the fact that none of this is sheer. Because it has this ruched detail in the front, it is not sheer at all. Even down here is really not sheer. So this is kind of like a double layer, which gives you that coverage that you need. So there's that outfit. Alright, so here is a more of a casual outfit, and I just thought that this shirt was completely adorable. So it's just a plain t-shirt. Now this one, I ordered on the curvy side and the women's side, and it turns out that this is a large and it fit way better than on the curvy side. So I did return the curvy side one. These shorts are from the regular line, or the women's line, as well as the top. Now you just have to pay attention to sizing. So believe it or not, these are a medium, which is insanely crazy, but I did go by the measurements that they had listed for the size, and these turned out to be a perfect fit. The paper bag waist, and they have these belt loops. I don't personally like belts because I feel like they make my hips look larger than they are, so I stay away from them. It does not accentuate my curves whatsoever, so I'm gonna leave it like this. But just so you know that you can pair it with a belt. I mean, even if it didn't have belt loops, you could just use the, you know, the pleat or whatever, the way that this is here, to wear that belt. There are no pockets. These do have the rolled up hem here. Very lightweight, very beautiful blue striped colors, and I just think it's super comfortable. I did pair it with these really cute blue earrings, which I love. And then let me just share with you the length of the shirt. And so you can also wear this, you know, with the black pair of shorts that I had on, with any of the Walmart jeans from my previous haul. So many things you can do with this lovely shirt. Also, it's real cotton. It feels good. It's none of that like dry fit type material that a lot of the fast fashions have. Like, this is true cotton and comfortable. So yeah, very, very lovely. And so, oh, here's the back of the shirt. Here's the back of the shorts. So yeah, super cute. I also paired these with the tennis shoes. So yeah, very comfortable. This is the last video of this haul, and it is this really cute brown top, and it is ruched on the side, and you can tie it up or pull it down as far as you want. I don't care for crop tops because I have stretch marks, so that's not something I'm ever going to be interested in or doing or trying. But then you can just kind of tie this up as so, and super comfortable. Now, it is a very stretchy material. This is part of the regular size, and I believe I got a large, but I will double check. And it is just very pretty. I don't know if you can see the detail of the material. Very comfortable. And then I paired it with these black jean shorts from my Walmart haul as well, and they are super comfortable and stretchy. And I put them with the white shoes. However, they would also look good with these shoes as well. And I'll try and put a comparison for those shoes. I did pair them with these really cute earrings as well. And yeah, I think it is a very comfortable outfit. This one is not necessarily a vacation outfit. It's just something I thought was comfortable and cute to wear around town, and not too revealing for being a mom. Thank you very much for joining this haul. Please stay tuned for a part 2 because I have plenty more things to share with you as well. So I hope that if you are interested, that you will consider subscribing and hitting the notification bell so that you can get notified the next time that I put up the second part of this video. All right, thank you guys. Have a great week. Bye.